Hello and welcome back to another video of the robot. So today we are going to talk about the Raspberry Pi Pico board, the new board. So we will be needing male headers like this and a breadboard to solder and the soldering iron obviously. So we will place the male headers like this on our breadboard and then we will use the soldering iron to solder. So first we have to do one thing is solder the corners so for a better grip, so the male headers are perfectly placed. So like this we will solder the corners, so the corner pins of the Raspberry Pi Pico, and then we will go on the middle pins. So well, it's done then. Now it's time to upload the drivers and the code.
Press the boot shell button and then connect the USB to the Pico board. A other drive will appear in your computer, so you have to drag the drivers and the codes here for the first run of the Raspberry Pi Pico board. So we will be uploading the drivers here, so let's check what drivers we will be needing to upload that. So here is the file I have made of the Raspberry Pi Pico. I will be giving this file as a zip folder in the description box below. So we have to first drag and drop. So you are going to open the file here. You see rp1 rp2 drive. So we have the drive. We are going to minimize it, and then first we will be going to drag and drop this Adafruit circuit Python in here. So whenever you are going to drag it there, that your drive will be going to disappear. You see as it is have disappeared, and then it's came. So we have to upload the another file here. Then nuke flash here, we have to upload that. We will be uploading the nuke flash here. So it's done. Then we are going to install one more software where you have to install Thorny here. When we will install Thorny, you can download it from the official website of the latest version according to your computer. So we will download the Thorny. I have pre-installed it. So when we are going to install it to the Thorny, then it will be showing like that. So now we have to go to the My Computer properties and then device manager. We will be seeing there, we just have to update the driver here. Update driver. Yes, we have got it. It's up to date. So we will be updating the driver here. After updating the drivers here, then we will be going to open Thorny here. Then we will go to here, it's already configured interpreter. So here we will be needing our internet. Now just we will update the firmware. So well, it's done. As you can see, we have that MicroPython version 1.17 Raspberry Pi Pico board with RP2040 here. So first program we are going to upload here is that blink.py program. So we have the blink.py program. I will give the code in the description. So here is our code which we are going to upload in our Raspberry Pi Pico for the first time, that blink.py. I will be giving the code in the description box. So we will be uploading this. First we have to save this in our Raspberry Pi Pico. So we will go as save as. You see this comes this computer and Raspberry Pi Pico. So we will be saving the code to the Raspberry Pi Pico in the name of blink.py. sorry, blink.py. So we are done. So now we will just run the code. See, now the LED is working and the boards work completely fine. So while uploading the code, we came to know that this is a very interesting project and the Raspberry Pi Pico board got its first run. So make your own board, install the drivers and start working on the Raspberry Pi Pico. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, like and share to my channel and also subscribe it. Till then, keep watching Robobots for the more projects. Thank you.